Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, I'll show you how to use SHAREit to send apps or games between two devices, and I'll guide you through each step so you can share your apps quickly and easily. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the SHAREit app on the sending device. Step 2, tap Send. This button tells SHAREit that this device will act as the sender during the transfer. Step 3, browse and select the apps or games you want to share. SHAREit will show a list of installed apps, and you can choose any of them for quick wireless transfer. Step 4, tap the send icon or the receiver avatar to begin. Step 5, open the SHAREit app on the receiving device. Step 6, tap receive. Step 7, accept any permission prompts that appear, such as allowing SHAREit to access the camera for QR code scanning. Step 8, on the sending device, scan the QR code that appears on the receiving device's screen. Alternatively, you can tap the sender's device avatar on the receiving device's screen to connect without scanning. This gives you another simple way to start the transfer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful guides.